mbali. Anyway, nitaosha tu. Nikape pusi. Wewe kuja sikuulize. Is it fair? I can't even no. Is it fair? Thank you. Even the cat has agreed. Watu wanakuja wanakula alafu wanakuacha hivyo. Kwanza huyu. She ate a very big piece of. Finally, the utensils are clean. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing good. I'm in such a good mood today. And yeah, we're gonna fly the drone and I'm so excited. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, just hit the red button below. And yeah, you're gonna be getting awesome videos every single week. This is basically the pack that the drone comes in. This is the virtual reality. And this is the sky controller. It's gonna be awesome, guys. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna have so much fun doing this. This button takes it up, then I go this way. When I bring it back, it takes it down. This one takes it sideways to the right, to the left, front and backwards. This one is for taking off. This one is to bring it back home. See, I did my homework. This one is to adjust the settings. It's in okay guys, yeah, we do this. I don't know if you can hear that. The red light shows that the drone is actually on. All I need to do right now is just fly it. It's gonna be epic, guys. I'm so excited, man. Guys, as you can see, this thing is actually green, which means it's ready to go, to take off, right? Oh my gosh, look at the view of the sky. This is just breathtaking. What? Guys, I think Jesus is coming back for real. But this view is everything. Have you ever seen a view like this? A view of the sky? Okay, me I haven't. I'll just be real with you guys. I haven't. What? So I'm just trying to balance the drone. This thing is just amazing. What? Guys, if I had downloaded the app, you'd be able to see me from the sky. But since I didn't, you can't. But don't worry, in part 2 of this vlog, I'm gonna do it, guys. You're gonna be able to see me from the sky.
Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you it's the best life I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feet.
Guys, this thing is so much fun. You have to watch part 2 of this because it's gonna be even more fun. Look at the sky, guys. Shit, where's the drone? I think I lost the drone. Where is it? Where is it? What? Guys, I think I lost the drone. I don't have the virtual reality, so I can't really see it in the sky, and I think I took it too far. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, phew! There it is. Ooh. This thing is so loud, guys, you have no idea. It's like a plane taking off. Okay, not exactly like a plane, I've exaggerated a little, but something like that. You get what I mean, right?
It's not a game that I am playing, my love.
Wow, guys, this is amazing, man. This is amazing. You have to stick around for part 2. You've got to watch this, guys. It's gonna be more awesome because you're gonna be able to see the earth from the sky.
I think we're made of something.
So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And yeah, guys, it's been amazing. Until next time, be good. Bye bye.
Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way out that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something.